Hello students, welcome to grammar class. Today we are learning noun. What is a noun? A noun is a name of a person, name of a place, name of a thing. For example, Hari, Sam, Krishna, Kathmandu, Pokhara, pen, mobile, bench, etc. There are so many. So be clear. Name of a person, Hari. Sam is name of a person. Krishna is also name of a person. Kathmandu is name of place. Pokhara is name of place. Pen is name of a thing. Mobile is name of a thing. Bench is name of a thing. This way you be clear. Noun is a name of a person, name of a place, name of a thing. That is naming word. That is naming word. I hope you have understood what is noun. Dear students, let's learn types of nouns. Common noun. Proper noun. Countable noun. Uncountable noun. Material noun. That is called concrete noun also. Abstract noun. Compound noun. Collective noun. So first of all, what is common noun? Common noun is a noun which is common to person, common to thing, common to place. Let's be clear. For example, man, boy, girl, dog, river, city, village, house, etc. There are so many. So these are common noun. Now let's learn what is proper noun. Be clear, proper noun is special noun or specific noun. Definition is like this. Proper noun is a noun which indicates particular. Here is given particular word. We can understand special or specific person, place or thing. Let's be clear from example. Nepal is a special name. Ram, Bagmati, London, etc. You understand? Nepal is place, country, special name. Ram is person, special name. Bagmati is river. This is also a special name. London is place. This is also a special name of place. This way, I hope you have understood. Dear students, now let's learn what is countable noun. Countable nouns are the nouns that can be counted. For example, chairs, books, pens, boys, etc. There are so many. We can count noun. One chair, two chair, or one book, two book, three book, or one pen, two pen, three pen, one boy, two boy, three boy, or many boys. This way we can count the nouns. These nouns are countable nouns. Similarly, here is they can be singular or plural. Singular means one or plural means many. Here, what is uncountable noun? Uncountable nouns which we cannot count. Okay, what is uncountable noun? Uncountable nouns are the nouns that cannot be counted. For example, water, milk, sugar, rain, etc. They can only have a singular form. We cannot write waters, only water. We cannot write milks. Yes, we don't write yes after milk. That milk is not plural, singular form. Okay, this way you have understood what is uncountable noun, which we cannot count. Okay, but that can be measured or weighted. A bottle of water, a glass of water we can say, but one water, two water we cannot say. Now let's learn what is material noun. I have told you material means concrete noun. Material noun. Material noun is a noun which can be measured or weighted. For example, oil, salt, milk, gold, cotton, honey, leather, wool, cheese, chalk, butter, etc. These are the examples of material noun. This can be measured or weighted. This is also called uncountable noun. Okay. 7. What is abstract noun? An abstract noun is a noun which cannot be seen, cannot be touched, but can be felt, that has no physical existence. As for example, honesty, kindness, wisdom, love, childhood, freedom, knowledge, etc. These are all abstract nouns which we cannot touch, we cannot see, but we can feel. These These are abstract noun. Okay, dear students, here is another point, that is compound noun. Compound noun is a noun that is made with two or more words. For example, bedroom. Bed, one word, room is another word. Two words are combined here and there is one word, bedroom. Football, foot, one word, ball, another word. Two words are combined here, football. Likewise, post office, etc. Okay, from example, I think it is clear what is compound noun. Here another point, what is collective noun? Collective noun is a noun which indicates group of persons or things. Let's be clear from example. Class, crowd, team, herd, committee, public, jury, bunch, etc. There are so many. Okay, I hope you have understood. My dear students, I have cleared it out from definition, from examples. What is noun, its types, its definitions, and there are so many examples are given here. From here, I think you have understood. See you next class.